Every yard has its own special powers. And when you're able to harness them, any yard can be electric. Cub Cadet knows all about that kind of power. It's what's driven us every day for the past 60 years to wake up, take a big sip of coffee, and think of every way to make every lawn better. So when it comes to what's next in power for out here, we build on our past so you can take charge of your yard's future. What does that look like? It looks like our most complete electric portfolio ever, and it's giving you the power to complete more. All with less noise, less maintenance, for less stress. From machines with proven track records to hand tools that help fine-tune every inch of your space. This is an all-new era for electric. One only Cub Cadet could deliver. All so you have more power for your world.